In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import stories into Jira using a CSV file. We'll walk through the full flow inside a sample Kanban project so you can follow along in your own Jira instance. In this example, Jira labels the issue type as work items, but the process is exactly the same for stories, tasks, or any other issue type you choose, as long as your project is configured for it. Start by opening your Jira software project, specifically your Kanban board or list view where all work is shown. You want to be in the space where you normally see your backlog or list of issues for that project. At the top of the screen, look for the option that lets you add or manage work items. There's a small drop-down or menu in the header area. Click the highlighted control there to open more options. From this menu, select the option that says Import Work Items from CSV. This is the dedicated bulk import tool that Jira provides for creating many issues at once from a spreadsheet. A new page will open with the CSV import setup. Here, you'll see an option to upload your CSV file. Click on the highlighted button to choose and upload your prepared CSV from your computer. Once the file is selected and uploaded, click on the Next button to move forward in the import wizard. On the next screen, Jira asks you to confirm which project and issue type you want to import into. Click the highlighted drop-down for the project and select your Kanban project from the list. In this example, that's the Kanban space we've been working in. Then choose the appropriate issue type scheme or a specific configuration option if one is shown, such as the option labeled Big 5 in this example. Select that, and when prompted again, confirm the same choice so Jira knows exactly which issue configuration to apply. After confirming your project and configuration, click Next. Now you'll see the field mapping screen. This is where you tell Jira how the columns in your CSV correspond to Jira fields. Click the highlighted drop-down next to your CSV column that contains the story titles and map that column to the Jira field called Summary. The Summary field is required, so this step is critical. Once your mappings look correct, click Next. On the final confirmation screen, review the import details, then click Begin Import. Jira will process the file and show you an import log page. When the import is complete, click on Import Work Items to view the results, and then click the highlighted link to open the log or go directly to the newly created issues. Your stories are now imported into Jira from your CSV.